It's time we added some night vision to this exhibition, but it doesn't seem to have much effect. If you see here, this is actually a giant whale fused in battle against a giant squid. These creatures are rarely seen. This battle is rarely seen only unless you have a submarine. So I'm just gonna get it at a close range. Okay, you see the jaws. Yeah, they've had this model underneath the stairs for years. The only bad news is, when caught on film, you can't really see it for reasons that it's dark. But you can only see it with the black light underneath. That's one way to look at it.
Kyle, I can't see.
Thanks, sir. Now I can look at it at close range without having to put the spotlight next to it. You're a good kid.
Thanks.
Can you move it this way a bit?
How big do you think the largest whale ever was?
Well, compared to this one, the blue whale is bigger than this.
Well, yeah, but that's a blue whale.
Yeah. Compared to me, how big do you think the blue whale's jaws were compared to this?
You can't see it.
Yeah, I can. I have some help.
I'm guessing the blue whale's just opening its mouth is probably the size of the whole front of this whale.
It's a good...
Whole length.
Yeah, it's a good thing, too. I don't know who would win in this battle against the whale or the squid. I don't really know which one. I know that whales always have the upper hand, but maybe one day the squids will have the upper hand as well.
Up here, Mom, there's a clown.
People used to collect for pearls. Whoa.
He's a diver, you know what he's looking for?
Pearls. Treasure.
Oysters, yeah.
And I think I see a starfish in the back.
It looks like a blue. You see that?
This is the Portuguese man of war. Sure, they look like light bulbs on the top, but under the sea, they're actually toxic jellyfish. They capture small prey like smaller fish, bacteria, anything. But that's no big deal for this turtle. Eating a jellyfish, well, that's one of its treats. If you take my advice, gentlemen, these fish are considered one of the rarest jellyfish, actually. If you saw the Futurist Wilds, there were future descendants of these jellyfish known as the ocean phantoms. They rely on other animals, such as the spiders that are attached to it, and in return they provide food. The sea turtles, on the other hand, are the actual predator of the jellyfish itself. Compared to an ocean phantom, well, let's not say that. As you can see underneath me, you can see the blue whale. He's a giant, gentle giant. The scientists excavated and created this model to represent what the blue whale actually looked like. The blue whale itself is one of the biggest animals. You should see what happens when it opens its jaws. Unbelievable, incredible, impossible.
You're not going to have any space left for dinosaurs. Shut it off.
Relax, Mom. I got 3 battery. I got 3% of it. I got 3 hours.
We're going to dinosaurs now.
Okay. The whale, the whale itself is so big that it could fit inside this room. Walruses! Come on, look at those pups. Walruses!
In the late 1980s and early 90s, sharks were rapidly overfishing.
Let's check out the dolphins. Beautiful, aren't they? Hey guys, I dare you that I can touch the top of that blue whale. Get ready, guys. It's gonna be epic. Okay. Okay. One more time. Okay. Maybe I'm not being smart. What if that were to Okay, I hope this works. Can you hold it, Maddie? The top of this camera, I will touch the blue whale. Okay.
That's a bigger shark than I thought. When we capture a large shark, we want to get them back. It's a lot safer for us and for the shark. Hey, girl. Easy. Roll her.
I think I got it now. Yes! I did it! I touched it! Did you guys see that?
Yeah, wonderful. Let's go.
Measure the shark.
Come on.
Yep, that takes care of that.
We're going to take a small piece of tissue.
Okay, okay. I just want to get some footage of the little pups. Mwah. Sweetie pie.
Shut down your tripod.
Okay,
They
got
said
it.
you can't use the tripod